today. We're going to cashing quarters and stuff for today. So comment down below how much money we're gonna get for today. Let's go. How much money we're getting today. Let's go. We're here right now. You guys, I'm very excited for today. So let's pour all this coins in here. Let's see how much. Yeah, and this is my $50 bill right there. And we probably already have like $1 already, like right now. So don't worry about it. You might be wondering how I got all this money. There's a lot of stories about here. See this? See this? We might get all of these points. And so basically we might already be on $1 already. So we might go rich for today. And I don't even think we have enough space because we're too rich. And look at this. Oh, look at all this money right now. Look at this. Alright, we're finished. This is all our cash right here. We're putting all the cash in here. And all the coins will be on bottom here. So let's check out how much money we're gonna get after the video. This might take a while since I'm too rich. Yeah, I found a lot of money on the ground. It's like money grows on trees. And this is a valuable coin right here at 25. But that one, I don't think we're putting that in. So putting everything in here. Right here. Right now, you see this? And